Hi everybody, welcome to another fast tip here at Fast Homebrew. Bit of a beginner one today that probably everyone knows anyway, but I'm going to tell you about how to get all of the liquid malt out if you can. So the first thing to do is to put it in hot water. That softens it. Looks like I'm also doing honey on this day. That softens it up, makes it nice and easy to pour out, and as you'll see here, out it comes nice and easily, and most of it pours into my fermenter there. Wonder what I'm making. Anyway, you can see there's still a lot of goo left behind, so how do you get that? So this is some water that was boiled, and I used to leave the lid on, but found that that's not necessary. You can just sort of stir it for a little bit, and I'm showing the full thing here. It doesn't take much effort to do. Or stir it, scrape down the sides, and then in she goes. Use and clean as a whistle, and make sure you use a tea towel to pick it up because it gets very hot. Now, two things. That little bit under the lid there, I've never bothered trying to get that, so I guess I'm slightly lying when I say how to get all of it. And also, one day I tried without the hot water, and this is how long it took. It took an incredibly... Someone said you don't need to put it in hot water. I thought, well, I'll try it out, but yeah, I still think it's worth putting it in the hot water. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Bye.